Yo, what's up, my guys? It be your boy. Frankie Hovers loves when I do that. What's up, my guys? Welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. How you been? As you can see, we're out front of the wonderful, lovely house. We got me buddy right there chilling like a mad villain. So what we're doing in this video is we're going over Reelsteady Go with the new Hero 8. I just went and got it last night. I flew the Squirt around this morning. We're gonna take the same clip and we're gonna compare unstabled and stabled in Reelsteady Go and see how well it does. In my opinion, I think the 8 Reelsteady Go and all the settings it's offer is the firest camera on the market right now that you can get. So yeah, stay tuned, check out how well it does. Make sure to subscribe below before we get started. Yeah. You look here, we have the unstabilized version right out the Hero 8 going into the stabilized version from Reelsteady Go. Now, I'm very impressed with the results that this is providing right out of Reelsteady with the Hero 8. Like, you've got the holy grail right here. This was shot at 1440 at 120 frames per second. Look at just look how well it just stabilizes. By the way, this is auto shutter. So imagine if I had to like fix shutter with an ND filter and whatnot, just how gorgeous the colors and everything would be with the motion blur, etc. Just look how well it just stabilized that. I mean, look, you can see right here firsthand for yourself how well it does. See, look, we got a 50-50, half and half here comparing it. Slide to the right, bump, slide to the left, bump, 2-step, hey. By the way, it's really windy, guys. So you see here, like, I'm gonna like go full tilt just to like even try to get down the road. Check it, look how stable it is. Like that's like full tilt almost, you know, pushing it. Y'all know you can't just like dive the Squirt, you're gonna lose it, like no recovery. Right now I'm flying 4S with the 1507 2700 kV motors, and I am actually impressed with the cinewhoops motors and how well they're performing. Just look, I mean, check out how windy it is in the flag. It is so windy, it's not even funny. Like, I am really impressed with how well the camera and Reelsteady actually stabilizes the footage here, and I don't know what else to say. I mean, like, if you don't own Reelsteady at this point and a Hero 8 or just a GoPro and Reelsteady, like, I don't know what to tell you guys. You guys are sleeping at the end of the day. I mean, come on, just look at these results that I'm achieving. Like, this is pretty much right out the box the first test, to be honest with you. I haven't even like really sat down and like fine-tuned my quad. Adding the Hero 8 to the cinewhoop, to be honest with you, with the 3D printed mount that I've gone with, has added a lot more weight, so I am feeling it here in the flight characteristics of it. But other than that, the thing is like, oh my god, you wouldn't even known if I had never even said anything or showed you. I mean, now here I'm just dicking around playing with it, seeing what I can and can't do, and like what my limitations are with it as far as banking maneuvers, etc. And I mean, if you see how well right here, it just makes it look like it's right in a movie. Just look at this shot, look at that. Oh my goodness, that is incredible. And I mean, what a better way to like tie in the situations for whatever you're filming with Reelsteady Go, because you're always gonna almost, I want to say 95% of the time guaranteed now that with the Hero 8 you're gonna guarantee the shot. It's that simple.